Hi viewers, welcome to Max Grammar Tutorial. If you are a first time viewer of a channel, then do subscribe our channel without fail. In today's video, we are going to see synonyms of a word. The different words which mean the same is called synonyms of a given word. In this video, we will be discussing the synonyms of the word benefit. Let us have a look at the different synonyms of this word. Assert, gain, help, perk, profit, assistance, aid, prosperity, welfare, use, and last but not the least, interest. Now we will see what does each of the synonym mean and how to use them in a sentence with an example. The first synonym which we are going to discuss today is assert. The meaning of this synonym is something which is useful or a desirable quality which someone possesses or even a desirable thing which you need. Now, we will see how to use this synonym in a sentence. Organizational ability is an assert to an employee. This organizational ability is a desirable quality which an employee must possess, and that will be a benefit for his professional front. Moving on to the next synonym, it is gain. What do you mean by gain? Gain actually means to get something which we desire as a result of one's effort. Let's have a look at the illustration now. You can gain more knowledge by reading a lot of current affairs. Here, you can see that only if you read a lot, you will be able to benefit knowledge. The third synonym of the word benefit is help. To help means to give an aid with a service or advantage. Moving on to the sentence for discussion, the teacher's exam tips helped her students in every bit of the examination. Here, the teacher had aided her students with her tips, which benefited her students during the exam. Moving on further, perk is the next synonym which we are going to discuss. Perk is an extra allowance received by an employee in addition to the regular salary which he earns. The example goes like this: I receive a perk in my salary which includes petrol and housing rent allowance. Here, I am saying that in addition to my monthly salary which I earn, I get other benefits like petrol and housing allowances. Leaping on to the next synonym, it is profit. Profit is to gain an advantage. Now, let's see how to use this in a sentence. Roy is able to shine in his college as he profited greatly from his schooling. Here, when we zoom into the meaning of this sentence, Roy's knowledge which he gained from his schooling was beneficial for him to prosper in his college. The next synonym which we are going to discuss is assistance. Assistance is an act of support. Now, have a look at the illustration. Jack's wife's salary was a financial assistance for him. In this example, it is quite obvious that the wife's salary is an extra benefit for Jack's financial stability. The next synonym which we are going to discuss is aid. Aid is to provide support for someone or something also at times, or providing a relief to someone. Skipping on to the example, it goes like this. The government gave an aid of 10,000 rupees to the homeless victims of the fire. So, it means that the homeless people were given a benefit of 10,000 rupees by the government. The eighth synonym of the word benefit is prosperity. Prosperity is defined as the state of being wealthy or having a rich life. Let's skim through the sentence for discussion. The growth of tourism brought prosperity to the nation. So it is evident that the income to the nation from tourism is a financial benefit for the nation, which is helping in the growth of the nation. The ninth synonym for the word benefit is welfare, which means financial or any other type of assistance which is given to an individual or family. Have a glance at the example. The government brings up many welfare schemes for the poor people. Here, the poor people are getting benefited out of the schemes which are brought into action by the government. The next synonym which we are going to have a look at is use, which means to avail something. Let's go through the example now. The student must use the knowledge of their teachers to the fullest. This example tells that the student must get the full benefit out of their teacher. The last synonym of the word benefit, which we are going to see now, is interest. Interest is the sum of money which is paid or charged for the deposited money or borrowed money. Moving on to the example, I receive the interest from the bank on my deposited money every month. Here, the interest which I am getting from the deposit is the benefit which I am earning from my deposit. Hope you came across a good set of examples for the synonyms of the word benefit and also understood the meaning of their synonyms. If the video was informative, then like and share our video. Do subscribe our channel for the future videos and click on the bell button to receive the notification of the same. You can also follow us on our Facebook and Instagram pages. Until next time, have a happy learning.